Today we are going to study the reflex. The basic principle of the work of our nervous system is reflex. Click on the human model. A reflex is a reaction of the body to the action of external or internal environmental stimuli, which is carried out with the participation of the nervous system. Reflexes ensure the regulation of all physiological functions of the body and adaptation of the activity of individual organs and systems to its needs. Most often, you encounter the concept of reflex in a medical textbook. Press the screen. So, with the help of reflexes during digestion, the secretion of saliva, gastric, and pancreatic juice is regulated. During physical labor, the intensity of blood circulation and breathing changes, and muscle tone is regulated. Reflex processes support the stability of the organism's internal environment, homeostasis. The outstanding scientist Pavlov divided all human reflexes into unconditional, born, and conditional, acquired. An unconditioned reflex is a hereditarily fixed form of response to biologically significant actions of the external world or changes in the internal environment of the body. Remember how you quickly tidy up your leg or hand from a container of hot water, or how you shiver when you are cold? Click on the screen. All unconditioned reflexes are divided into simple and complex according to the degree of complexity and severity of the organism's reactions. Click on the lungs and look at other types of reflexes. Breathing reflexes are reflex breathing movements that provide inhalation and exhalation. Find the plate and click on it. Food reflexes, release of saliva, bile, digestive juices, chewing, swallowing when food enters the mouth. Click on the handkerchief. Protective reflexes provide protection of the body against the action of various factors. Withdrawal of the hand during an injection, coughing and sneezing when allergens or microorganisms enter the respiratory tract, blinking of the eyelids, pupillary reflex. Thus, unconditioned reflexes are specific, innate, and relatively permanent reactions of the body to the action of the external and internal environment, which are carried out with the help of the nervous system. They manifest themselves in the same way in every individual of the species intelligent man and determine a certain clearly defined program of behavior that ensures adaptation to stable living conditions characteristic of the species. They are innate because they are inherited from their parents. Conditional, this is a reflex that is produced under certain conditions, namely a combination of external and internal factors during a person's life. Conditioned reflexes are shaped on the basis of unconditional ones. It is the described type of conditioned reflex that is at the basis of many modern methods used to train animals. The biological significance of conditioned reflexes lies in the fact that they are adaptive reactions of the organism, which are formed by the conditions of human life and provide an opportunity to adapt to new conditions in advance. Conditioned reflexes have a warning signal value because the body begins to respond in a purposeful way before a vital stimulus begins to act. Therefore, conditioned reflexes provide a living being with the ability to assess a danger or a useful stimulus in advance, as well as the ability to perform purposeful actions and consciously avoid mistakes.